Applying sunscreen specifically in the kitchen is not a common recommendation. However, there are certain situations to consider, so let's have a look. It's important to differentiate between the heat from the sun or oven and UV radiation. While you might feel warmth in the kitchen, UVA and UVB rays, which are responsible for skin damage and premature aging, are not related to temperature. So being hot doesn't mean that you need sunscreen. However, if your kitchen has large windows or skylights and you receive direct sunlight for prolonged periods, there might be some concern about UV exposure. Especially if your windows don't have UV protection, applying sunscreen could be useful. And lastly, using certain sunscreen formulations can result in a greasy feel. This might cause you to touch your face more often, which is impractical and can be considered unhygienic when handling food. And this is what I want to share with you. Thanks so much for watching and happy skin caring.